What's up, guys? So, do you guys remember me doing this? This is the one that I got from the Crazy store. This was a diamond art. I had no idea what it was. Tried it out. I'll leave a card up here so you guys can check out that video. This was like the kiddies version. Diamond art's actually a real thing. So it comes in different sizes. Yeah, we've got Spider-Man. I'm really keen on starting this. This is 30 by 40 centimeters, and then over here this is also 30 by 40, and this one says 5D diamond picture. I'm not too sure if you guys can see that. So these are the two that I haven't started with. So I have actually taken this on as a hobby. For me, it's really addictive. I know I sound like a middle-aged person, but it is so much fun though. But with every kit that you buy, you get within that this little kit. So which is basically this green tray, a pink stylus, some wax, and then there you go. But the thing is though, especially if you're doing a big diamond art, this little thing starts hurting like hell after a while. And I did this one with just that little pink stylus. So I thought, no man, there must be an easier way to do this. So I came across these. Okay, I actually got it from TAKEALOT. I mean, just this is flipping awesome, especially for me. Doing this at night and keeping the lights on, keeping my partner awake. This was perfect for me, and it has a much better grip than this little stupid thing. So when you order these, so you get the pen, which takes 2 batteries that you'll have to buy separately. You get like a little jar of wax, and then you get 3 different points. So you get this one where you pick up one little stone at a time, and then you get this attachment. Now this is a lifesaver. This picks up about 6 stones at once, especially if you've got a whole section that you need to cover. That's exactly the same stone. That helps a lot. And then another lifesaver is this little bendy one for those hard to reach places. So this was genuinely a lifesaver, and it was like 121 Rand on TAKEALOT. So I'll definitely leave some links down below so you guys can go check it out. But there's not only those, so there are so many different types of diamond art stylus. So depending, there's different shapes, and yeah, and I think at the end of the day it's all about making it more comfortable and fun for you, because this, guys, is hours and hours, if not days, depending. So if you have never done this before, rather start out with like a small one or get yourself the kiddies one, see if you like it. I don't think it's for everyone, but like, I'm an old soul, so I'm really enjoying this hobby. So check it out if you guys are interested in diamond art. There's search it on YouTube. You will come across some really professional people doing this, and it's actually quite fascinating how big some of these can get. I mean, you get some really tacky ones like your unicorns and fairies, but I'm not one for those. I'm trying to keep it cool at my level. So this is kind of kitsch still. I mean, this is like a bridge, but at least I get Spider-Man, so that makes me feel a little bit better. So for anyone who wants to try it out, I can guarantee you will definitely like it. If you're a person who likes doing, you know, all sorts of art type hobbies, this is for you. But get one of these if you really do enjoy it and you want to do some more diamond art. Get yourself one of this with the different attachments, in order for you not to get so bored quickly, and to save yourself some time as well. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.